Model: 2011 Volkswagen Transporter T32 short wheelbase, 2.0 BiTDI 180PS Kombi Van DSG fully loaded automatic. TERS-OR repair gearbox issue. Body: silver, crew cab. Mileage: 152874. Engine: 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180PS. Transmission: front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox stuck in second gear. Gearbox will need repairing, well worth spending a little time on this to get it driving again. This is absolutely spotless, you wouldn't believe it's the age it is. Smiling face. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after. Features: parking sensors, electric windows, air con. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.